Hello everyone and welcome back to Dassi Insights. Today we are diving into one of the most important topics for anyone in leadership or management. Different ways to lead. Leadership is not one size fits all. The way you lead can make or break your team's success, morale, and trust. Stick with me until the end because I will share a call to action that will help you apply these styles starting today. Let's begin. Think of leadership styles as a tool in your toolbox. You don't use the same tool for every job. Here are 6 ways to lead. Number 1, tell or directive approach. This is the classic top-down style. You make the decisions, you give the order, and the team executes. When is this useful? Emergencies, high-risk situations, or when time is critical. But here's the catch. Overuse this style and you risk creating dependency and killing creativity. Here is an example. Imagine a construction site where safety is critical. You don't have time to debate. You tell people what to do. Simple, direct, effective. Number 2, sell or persuasion and buy-in. Here, you still make the decision, but you explain why it's the right one. You're selling the idea to your team. Why this matter? Because people are more committed when they understand the reasoning. Here's an example. Rolling out a new software system. Your team might resist, but if you explain the benefits, adaptation improves. Communication builds trust. Number 3, consult or seeking input before deciding. This is where you ask for ideas before making the final call. It shows respect for your team's expertise and builds trust. Here's an example. Planning next quarter's priorities. Consult your team to gather insights before deciding. People support what they help to create. Number 4, share or collaborative decision making. Here, you and your team decide together. It's a partnership. This works best when the team has a strong knowledge and the decision impacts everyone equally. Here's an example. Choosing a new project management tool. Everyone will use it, so everyone should have a say. Shared decision builds shared ownership. Number 5, delegate or trusting others to decide. You hand over the decision-making power to someone else. This requires trust and clarity on boundaries. Here's an example. Delegate the choice of vendor for a small purchase to your procurement lead. Delegation frees you to focus on strategy. Number 6, empower or full trust and support. This is the ultimate level of trust. You give people authority and resources and you support them fully. Empowerment creates ownership and innovation. Here's an example. Giving a team the freedom to design and execute a new marketing campaign without micromanagement. Empowerment turns followers into leaders. Now, here's the warning. Don't abdicate. Abdication means you stop caring. That's not leadership, it's neglect. Leadership is about guiding, supporting, and being accountable, no matter which style you choose. So, how do you know which style to use? Number 1, context matters. Emergencies call for tell. Strategic planning might need consult or share. Number 2, team maturity matters. Experienced teams thrive on empower. New teams might need sell or tell. Number 3, your goal matters. If speed is critical, don't overcomplicate it. If buy-in is essential, take time to consult or share. Don't forget, adaptability is the mark of a great leader. Here's what I want you to do. This week, pick one leadership style you rarely use and try it in a real situation. Observe the results. How did your team respond? How did you feel? Then share your experience in the comment below. I would love to hear your insights. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to Dassi Insights, hit the like button, and share this video with someone who wants to grow as a leader. Remember, leadership is not about power, it's about responsibility and trust. Use these styles wisely and you will see your team thrive. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next episode of Dassi Insights. Till next time, you have a good day. Take care.